Okay, you're on.
So, hello and good afternoon, everyone. I'm Atika Boriwala. I'm here with you next 30 minutes, and I'm here with my expert. I'm really honored to introduce you to my expert, Dr. Neda Khan, a proud owner of Rewired, a clinic for counseling and psychotherapy. She is devoted 17 years of counseling and psychotherapy, and she has devoted her 17 years for her life to psychology, and also associated with many schools and institutions. She is currently working with Emerald Heights International School for almost 4 years now. So, hi, ma'am. How are you?
Good morning, Atika. Good morning, everyone. I want to, first of all, I want to extend my sincere gratitude to all these team members of Team Manathan. I think it's Manathan. So especially Kalamuam ma'am to giving me this opportunity to interact with people today. Nivruti ma'am, Sonam, all the people of the back end and our respected speakers, and not the least my dear students, everybody who've been working day and night to make this successful event, even a grand success. So
Thank you so
I
much.
just welcome you all today, and I'll be talking about suicide and how can you save people, saving lives around you from, saving them from suicide.
Yes. So, I would like to ask, how will you address suicide in current world?
Okay, so Atika, we are in a very grave situation right now because if I talk about India and the statistics around adolescent suicide is the 1/3 of all the suicides. I'm emphasizing on the young adults because they've been my life. I've been working with them since long, and they are the future of our country. So overall, they've been increased in 300 to 400% over the past 10 years. So that's a very, very bad situation here, and every hour a student is committing suicide in India. So I think 28 such suicides reported every day in here, according to stats. So I know it's so difficult to imagine what led a family member or a celebrity to commit suicide. There have been no clear warnings at all, and you may wonder what cues we missed. And I've often heard people saying that acha khasa tha, he was so happy go loving, achanak se aisa ho gaya, I can't imagine he's gone. So often many factors combine to lead a person to take that kind of a decision, to taking their own taking their own life. It's not at all an easy decision to take. So most of us actually make the decision very impulsively, rather than planning them out. प्लान करेंगे तो लगेगा कि हाँ ये भी हमारे पास रास्ता है, we can do this also, that also, we can discuss with people. Sometimes we do discuss, but we take it we don't take it seriously actually. If like one of our friends is saying कि यार मैं suicide का सोच रहा हूँ, so we don't take it seriously, we just laugh it off.
Yeah.
So especially I'm focusing on adolescents only, so they're so vulnerable at this stage. Their emotional intelligence is so low, and actually the culprits are the hormones, but teenagers are the real sufferers, and they are going through so much of pressure, academic pressure, financial, career, self-esteem, their own self-concept, even relationship issues at that time. So they just want someone to understand them unconditionally. In psychology, we just use this word very often, like unconditional acceptance of people and without judging them, without being judgmental at all, showing empathy and not sympathy. Because the children, the kids of that age, they want empathy and they don't want sympathy at all. So it's like they just need somebody to, listen to them and understand them.
Yes, ma'am. It is really important nowadays.
Yeah.
So, yeah, as you know, why are the adolescents more prone to it, to suicide?
Yeah, so there are actually many reasons. So while there are many factors that can influence a person's decision to commit suicide, but the severe and the most common one is depression. So depression actually can make people feel, great emotional pain, loss of hope, making them unable to see the other way to relieve the pain other than ending their own life. So this is like, according to certain stats, like from American Foundation for Suicide Prevention, like everybody's working towards it. So depression is present in about half of all the suicides that happen in the world. So there are other mental illnesses like bipolar. Then we have borderline personality disorder. We have schizophrenia. We have eating disorders also. Like other day, I was discussing it with my students in the class that people, the models, young models, they're very thin. You must have seen them on fashion TV. Walking like zombies. So they actually are so tensed and anxious about their weight gain that they go that are like 99% of them are going through anorexia nervosa. So because of that, they eat tissues, they eat cotton balls just to make their stomach feel full, and they should not, like, they are not allowed to gain weight, otherwise their career is destroyed. So this is like there's such a lot of tension and agony they're going through, we can't understand. And then adolescents are more prone to suicide because they face academic failure sometimes. Like a lot of people face academic failures. They don't think that there is always another chance. It should give themselves a chance. Life is not too easy. But that is the thing. They fail, they commit suicide without giving it a thought. And maybe I blame the parents most of the time, or the family members who are continuously after their lives, like making them, creating a lot of pressure for them to perform good, perform good. Look at Sharma ji ka bete ko dekho, to iske bete ko dekho. Look at your cousin, look at your little sister. They don't understand that there is individuality, and we should always respect the person's individuality. Means everybody is different. They have their own capabilities, and everybody is capable of doing something good and best. So
Yeah,
if they
we
are
generally
like,
blame adolescents because
yeah, like what you are good in, Atika, maybe I'm not good at all. I may be good in
yeah,
something else which you don't. Yeah, so this is how we go. So they don't understand. So it is like, you know they just want a non-judgmental environment. Like they should be getting a good environment to grow in, a healthy environment, I must say. Because there was a lot of pressure we could see, itana percent, 1% kyun kam aaya, 2% kyun kam aaya. And then the people are like, oh my god, this is the end of my life, I haven't scored that 99.9. So this is the time when they think that now this is the end. Hopelessness and helplessness is something which they feel at that moment of time. Now, sometimes, other reasons can be bullying, shaming, humiliation, cyberbullying is very common nowadays, right? And like people are misusing this blessing of internet, uh, revolving, or what they do is like they get some photographs, or they morph some photographs sometimes, and then they distribute it and circulate it like it's their private property. But in turn they are doing it, they're ruining somebody's life. So this is something. And bullying, and it's a long, like, bullying is something very very common nowadays. I think since long it has been very common, and most of the time students are bullied to that extent that they want to end their life, that nothing is left. They've been feel so embarrassed in front of everybody. Then sometimes people, the other reason can be like, the death of a closed member of a family, or a person who's very dear and near, like near and dear to that person who's loved the most. Sometimes breakups, कि यही लड़की थी मेरी जिंदगी में और बस यही थी, or vice versa. Then sometimes it's like, the very common is the sexual orientation nowadays. Okay, I'm a gay, or I'm a lesbian, or I'm, that kind of a thing. So we are not actually accepting those people. LGBT is not actually, accepted very widely. Though we have come up with all the, laws and acts in their favor, but still we are not accepting them as we should be doing it unconditionally. So they have all the rights, because this is all the hormonal thing. It's not in their anything in their hand. It's natural. So anything which is natural we accept. So we should, why not these people? Like if they are having a sexual orientation toward like a male to male and a female to female. So I don't think so there should be a problem. It's their orientation, it's their life. They have all the right to choose it. Then again, financial problems, like families facing financial problems, they're not able to get what all the facilities, they're not able to get what other friends maybe or other people of their age are getting or they are being blessed with. So maybe these are some of the reasons I can mention today.
Yeah. So, uh, how do we get to know if someone is suicidal? What are the alarming signs actually?
All right. So alarming signs can be many, I you mentioned. Like sometimes it's like we become very ignorant with family and friends because हम उन्हें बचपन से जानते हैं. And we cannot think like that. अरे ऐसे कैसे? हमारा बच्चा है, हम जानते हैं. और या फिर हमारा फ्रेंड है. We've been there since childhood. How can he do this? मतलब ऐसा सोच भी नहीं सकता वो. I know him very well. जैसे कोई सुसाइड कर लेता है, फिर वो लोग बोलते हैं नहीं वो कर ही नहीं सकता. I know he cannot do it, but we just don't know what they are going through. There's always a cry for help, which we ignore, especially when it comes to, when we know someone. So there are few to be mentioned, like withdrawal from family and peers. So at the time, like when they are feeling very, very depressed, or maybe some other reason, so they withdraw themselves from their, loved ones. They don't socialize with people. They stop going to parties. They stop going out. They stop, there's a hopelessness. कि अब कुछ नहीं रखा लाइफ. तो जब वो फीलिंग आ जाती है फिर सब कुछ मन नहीं करता. So they stop eating also, and they lose interest in all the pleasurable activities they used to, earlier they used to enjoy like anything. So ये भी एक अलार्मिंग साइन होता है कि अरे यार ये तो बहुत खुश होता था मूवी देख के, या फिर हम लोग डिनर पे जाते थे, या फिर पार्टी के लिए तो ही वाज द मोस्ट एक्साइटेड वन. अब इसको क्या हो गया? So then think it seriously कि अब इसको क्या हुआ? Talk it out. Then they also start neglecting their personal appearance, means how they're looking. मतलब सजना सवरना छोड़ देते हैं. They don't like to dress up. बहुत दिन तक नहीं नहाते हैं कि क्या फर्क पड़ता है. Then they start thinking that again hopelessness. क्या करेंगे? Again, obvious changes in personality can be noticed. कि ये ऐसा नहीं था, अब ऐसा behave कैसे कर रहा है? He was like just opposite. And अभी क्या हो गया इसको? Then sadness and hopelessness I mentioned already. कंसंट्रेशन नहीं होता किसी भी चीज में, लाइक स्टडीज में. अगर बच्चा स्कूल में है या कॉलेज में है तो पढ़ाई में बिल्कुल दिल नहीं लगेगा. कोई होमवर्क नहीं, कोई असाइनमेंट्स नहीं पूरे करेंगे. तो ये सारी चीजें मीन्स जो भी आपका डेली का रूटीन का काम है, दे एक्चुअली लूज इंटरेस्ट, एंड प्लस दे आर नॉट ऑल्सो वेरी मच इंटरेस्टेड इन डूइंग इट. चेंजेस इन ईटिंग पैटर्न कैन बी सीन. वेट गेन हो जाता है, या तो बहुत खाते हैं डिप्रेशन में, या वाइस वर्सा होता है, मीन्स दे स्टॉप ईटिंग एट ऑल. ये भी होता है. Then there's a change in the sleeping pattern also, means they're not able to sleep all night. You can see, see them roaming around in the house, going to the kitchen, spending most of the time in the room, not mixing up with the family members, not sitting at the dinner table with the family members. So ये means ये noticeable चीजें हैं जो हम notice कर सकते हैं. या फिर अपोजिट भी होता है कई लोगों के साथ. मीन्स अगर बहुत ज्यादा खुश है तो वो और ज्यादा खुश दिखाते हैं अपने आप को. मतलब एकदम चेंज इन द नेचर. हम बोलते हैं अरे वाह यार ये तो ऐसा नहीं था, वैसा हो गया. वो भी होता है. मीन समटाइम्स मतलब इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन पीपल टू पीपल. देन देर आर
Yeah, like
सर्टन
for showing out.
या
I'm
कि
okay.
नहीं नहीं हम तो बहुत अच्छे हैं. दे वांट टू शो दैट आई एम फाइन, तो वो ओवर शो कर देते हैं. एक्चुअली दे शो व्हाट दे आर नॉट. सो इसलिए इससे ये दिस इज ऑल्सो अ साइन कि यार जो वो नहीं है, व्हाई इज ही और इज शी ट्राइंग टू शो दैट फेस, राइट. देन क्लिनिकल डिप्रेशन के बहुत सारे सिम्टम्स होते हैं जो हम देख सकते हैं. वही स्लीपलेसनेस एंड देन ईटिंग डिसऑर्डर्स एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर देयर. देन कई बार बच्चे वायलेंट हो जाते हैं, काफी रेबेलियस हो जाते हैं. हाँ नहीं कर रहे बिकॉज दे नो कि अब क्या कर लेंगे ये लोग. दे रन अवे फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग. Sometimes they start using or start taking drugs and alcohol also. कि चलो अब आखिरी टाइम बचा है, जो मर्जी आए करते हैं, क्या फर्क पड़ जाएगा. तो उनको वो, क्योंकि अब नाउ दे डोंट केयर अबाउट देयर हेल्थ एनीमोर. So they want to taste everything, or they don't want to actually, they just want to end their life like this कि बहुत ज़्यादा overuse भी कर लेते हैं. They start using extra drugs जो जितना हो सकता है कम पहले लेते हो और ज़्यादा भी हो जाता है, because these are the factors also which influence people. They stop the thinking capability of a person. Up, you're not in your senses anymore, so maybe you take decisions which are not to be taken. Sometimes emotional symptoms bhi hote hain, like they're often emotionally related, like headaches, fatigue, stomach aches. Sometimes we can see them very lethargic and lost, lack of energy. Koi energy nahi
Yeah.
hai, aap bola to bol rahe nahi karna, I don't want to do it, like that. And then कुछ भी बात आपको बहुत बुरी लग जाएगी, छोटी भी बात, मतलब यू आर नॉट, you lose the ability to tolerate the praises or rewards. वो भी अच्छा भी नहीं आप accept करोगे, क्योंकि अभी तक आपने नहीं किया है. Because now it's your tendency to grasp the negativity from the world, so you won't accept the positivity now. Right? आपको कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, कुछ भी होगा तो उसमें आप negative कि ये मेरी, मतलब ये इसलिए हुआ, ये उसलिए हुआ. So certain, like I've seen one case. I'll discuss it later on. Yeah, shall I discuss it right now?
Yeah, it's totally your choice.
So I got it. I got a case. Actually, I don't take up. I discuss this case with my students also most of the time. I got a call at 9 o'clock in the night, 9 p.m. And I usually don't take calls from, like, for sessions. But that day, I don't know. I was free, and I said, okay, you can come up. And that was a boy. So everybody was like off to my kids sleep at 9:30. So I was like free, and everybody was inside. So I was taking that session at my home. So I was just talking to that person, and I could see something is off. He was telling his story, bachpan ki story, and that how he, how depressed he was, and how many problems he faced. His father was really very aggressive. He used to beat him, his mother, his sister, and that was a really bad time. Sometime, like twice, he and his mother left home to jump off in the river, but somebody, I don't know, got helped that guy. Somebody saved, like somebody used to save them from jumping, because that was a very busy pool. So bridge, they was like they were planning to jump off the bridge. So then I was just like, I was just like, ab kuch batayega. Okay, that is that. And then suddenly he started crying, and he said, okay, I'll tell you one thing, but you can judge me. So मैंने कहा, why would I do that? Then he said, no, you have all the right to judge me. Everybody does that, so you can also do that. So मैंने कहा, बोलो तो आप क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो? It's fine with me. So then he said that I'm a gay, and he started and kept on looking at me. Okay, then what's the problem in that? You don't have any problem. Why would I have any problem? So, like, had I been a lesbian and I would have been taking your session, so तुमको problem होती क्या? I said, नहीं, उसमें क्या problem? So then why would I have problem in that? What's your problem? Then he started crying more, and then he told that I went to a psychologist, and she made me feel so embarrassed that I was about to again end my life. And then I decided to come to you. I said, okay, let's give one more chance. So I felt so happy that time from inside that, oh my God, I just saved a life. Because, you never know what person could be. And I would never have been, knowing also, I don't know that person. He just came up, he just called up. And I would have said no to him. Or without knowing the name, अगर अगले दिन picture भी आता था, died, so मुझे पता भी नहीं चलता. I would have said, oh my God, another life is gone. But, like in that time, I thought that yes, that was very important to see that person at that moment of time. Because he said that she was asking me very weird question कि आपको कैसा लगता है बॉयज को देखकर, क्या आपको सेक्सुअल फीलिंग्स आती हैं बॉयज को देख के, या फिर आप मीन्स आप किसी भी बॉय के साथ आप ऐसे कर सकते हो, तो कैसा लगता है आपको, अंदर से शर्म नहीं आती है? तो he was she that I don't know the name, and that's very kind of him and very genuine of him that he did not share the name of the person. But sometimes it happens, like being a psychologist or being a counselor, we ourselves are not following all the rules. Sometimes it happens in this field, so we have to be very non-judgmental. So then that day he shared, and I made him, realize that it's fine to be whatever you are. You should be able to accept yourself, and then the world will. So that was something, that was very important, and like for my life also, and I share it with others also, so that they also get that sense, of
Yeah,
unconditional acceptance. Yeah.
yeah, it is really necessary to show love. So,
Yes.
so I wanted to ask, as we all discussed everything, like I wanted to ask what are the things a person gets the help to overcome it.
All right. So how can we help others?
Yeah, like
Yeah. Means, yeah.
if the person is having suicidal thoughts, how can
Mhm.
we let him overcome it?
All right. So the first and the foremost rule is do not hesitate to talk about suicide. Right? Never ever feel that, अरे मैं ये टॉपिक निकाल दूंगा तो उसको कहीं आइडिया तो नहीं आ जाएगा. No, it never happens like this. Talking about suicide, like, you, if you come to know, like, think someone is considering suicide or he's thinking about it. So raise the subject there and then. Like, people are often relieved to talk to somebody about it. Means we feel very relieved, and like this is a kind of catharsis. And recognizing their agony and their pain, it helps to ease the distress of carrying that burden of pain in their chest. So it is important to listen to what somebody has to say without passing a judgment of on their feelings, keeping in mind that having no opportunity to talk about how badly they feel will only make that person more isolated, and more lonely. So you may sometimes worry that bringing up the subject, as I told you, that this will give idea to the individual who is already being depressed. So on the contrary, we should keep, silent. And so no, we should show concern. Let the person in distress know that somebody is there to listen to you, and just listening to them sometimes ease their issues and ease their problems. So if that person really is considering taking their own life, talking to them, it provides an outlet for intense and overwhelming feelings which they're not able to share it to anyone very easily. So we should be asking them direct questions. So like, avoiding the topic actually may show that you do not care about that person, or you're not taking the threats very seriously. So sometimes they go through accidental suicide also. I think you must have heard about it. Accidental suicide is like, कुछ लोग डराने के लिए भी करते हैं. They're not taking me serious.
Yeah,
जैसे कई बार होता है ना, किसी ने बोला मैं मर जाऊंगा, एंड द फादर और से हाँ हाँ जा जा मर जा, देखेंगे क्या करना है ना. Okay, fine, we are fine with it. So sometimes what they do, just for the sake of scaring their parents,
seeking attention, like
yeah, seeking attention, कि यार इनको इनको बहुत हल्के में ले रहे हैं ना, now I'll show. So what they do is like they just try for it, कि हाँ छोटा सा कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा सा कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा सा हम maybe they're eating something, तो वो कम करने की कोशिश में they die because they don't know what they're doing. तो इसलिए छोटा सा भी हो तो वी शुड बी टेकिंग इट सीरियसली. लिसन टू देम. अगर उनके मुंह से ये बात निकली है कि मैं मर जाऊंगा, तो क्यों निकली? जस्ट सिट विद देम, टॉक टू देम. कुछ भी होगा अंदर, टेक इट आउट. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज बीइंग एक्सेप्टिंग योर चाइल्ड. आप ये मत सोचो कि वो छोटा है, वो अभी छोटा ही है, उसको नहीं पता कुछ भी. नो, ही नोज एवरीथिंग. He knows more than us
yeah,
actually.
people generally don't accept laws.
Yeah, children of your age, means I should not call them children. So you people are like already, like we call you young adults. So you know what you're doing, and आपको हमसे ज़्यादा knowledge होती है हर चीज में. So we should try to listen to you, like so that we're able to connect with you. So parents का क्या रहता है ना, कि जैसे हम क्यों अपने friends से सारी चीजें share करते हैं, कि they listen to us unconditionally. They accept us as we are. जैसे ये गर्लफ्रेंड बनाई तो दे आर लाइक, ओ वाओ, लेट मी नो हु शी इज, और अच्छा गुड. पर हम यही चीज अपने पेरेंट्स से नहीं बोल सकते. दे विल बी लाइक, हो Why? What's the need? Is it your age? So all these things are like, they, oh my God, up now on, I won't be asking anything to my mother or telling anything to my dad. So then they get this habit of, hiding everything from their parents. So
Yeah.
acceptance in every situation is, I just, as a teacher, I've supported so many kids, you know, maybe it's their relationship. I've supported them in everything. I stood with them. तो उसके लिए I think that matters a lot at this age. So urge anybody who is considering suicide to get counseling, okay, go take help or try to listen to them and never comment on them. अगर आपको लगता भी है ना कोई आपका friend है talking, just talk to them, but don't comment or judge कि अरे ऐसा थोड़ी होता वैसा थोड़ी होता तू गलत सोच रहा है नहीं, nothing like that. uh, Go and tell them okay, go and take help from someone. It's actually sometimes it's a cry for help, means I need help, and then at
Yeah.
that moment of time agar koi sun nahi raha hai, so I think that's the end of the person and a very
Yeah.
precious life.
Yeah. Actually, nowadays in India, also the suicide and the mental health is not being accepted
Yeah.
as all, actually. So, what are your views on that? Why it is
Yeah,
not
that's
being accepted till now?
uh, what suicide.
The mental health. People don't
Mental health.
accept
Yeah.
that they are mentally ill.
Denial सीधे से, because they don't accept जैसे अब हम बोलते ना, जैसे कला मैम भी yesterday she was in her talk show, she said that हमको जैसे पेट में दर्द होता है, सर में दर्द होता है, we go to the doctor and we say अरे हमको तो शुगर है, हम जा रहे हैं डॉक्टर के पास. They're very like open in that and they feel कि physical ailment तो चलता है, but mental जब आता है कि yes बच्चे को डिप्रेशन हो सकता है, बच्चे को प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, एंजाइटी हो सकती है, लाइक ये सब भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं और इनका
They
सॉल्यूशन
don't
भी है.
come forward.
यस दे डोंट कम फॉरवर्ड. लाइक पहले भी जब भी ये रिसर्चेस होते थे तो दे यूज्ड टू टेक इट एज दे यूज्ड टू डू इट ऑन द मेल पेशेंट्स ओनली बिकॉज फीमेल्स वर नॉट अलाउड टू कम, क्योंकि बदनामी हो जाएगी घर की, इज्जत, all that stuff happens कि हमारी reputation है, we
Yeah.
have a social reputation, what people will think that we are visiting a psychiatrist or a psychologist. But now I think awareness is there. I can see parents coming up, talking about their children, talking about mental health. Even people are coming for couple counseling with their students, with there we are lagging behind, but yes we are moving also. So थोड़ा speed की जरूरत है, but I think हो रहा है, and especially after this suicidal incident of Sushant and this lockdown,
Yeah.
we all have started now accepting mental health is something, you know, and it is important.
Yeah, we have started taking it seriously now.
Yeah, now it is the time
So,
that we've started realizing it.
so we have to conclude now.
Yeah, sure.
What are your concluding lines of the session?
Yes. Again, I would like to repeat that like suicide is possible, and it's a very natural thing to become depressed and feel low at some times. But everybody needs help, and there is always a cry for help. Understand that, and try to be a helping hand to someone saving their own lives. And I have mentioned all the symptoms which you can see, and if you find anyone going through, just ask them to go and get mental help readily, means there and then, or ask someone, because there's a stigma in psychology कि हम confidentiality रखते हैं, but when it comes to taking your own life or taking, harming someone, there is no rule for confidentiality. You can straight away go and tell someone that this person is going to harm himself, or this person is going to harm other person also. So I think that's the concluding note. Help everyone, stay alert, and yes, happy Mental Health Day to everyone. Thank you, Atika, today. Thank you so much for
Thank you
being with
so
us.
much, ma'am, for joining us.
Yeah, thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.